Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Prezza, and today's video I'm going to be talking about a very interesting hair care product, and that is Earth Rhythm's shampoo bars. Honestly, just look at these. These are so cute. I can't wait to talk about them. I have 5 of the variants, but before that, I would really like to talk about the difference between liquid shampoo and these Earth Rhythm shampoo bars. First of all, liquid shampoo have all kinds of specialized ingredients like surfactants, conditioning agents, fragrances, etc. Earth Rhythm shampoo bars have much simpler formula, which means they are all natural, which means they contain no toxins such as sulphates or parabens, which just makes your hair feel better and it's a lot easier to comb through. Another major difference that I noticed is in liquid shampoos, because they are in liquid form, they contain 80% water, which means most of the ingredients are just diluted, while Earth Rhythm shampoo bars are in solid form, which means they have a higher concentration of hair care actives, which just makes it a lot more effective. And also, did you know that one bar can last up to 3 shampoo bottles? I didn't know that, but now that I've started using it, I can totally see it. You don't even need a lot of it. Just take the bar, rub it on your scalp, and that alone will clean your scalp so good, and it will lather really good, so you don't even need a lot of product, and I can totally see how economical it is. The last but not the least point that makes Earth Rhythm shampoo bars so different and unique from other bars is that even if we talk about liquid shampoos, you are going to buy bottles or sachets, which is basically plastic, and you're contributing to the waste. But Earth Rhythm shampoo bars, they come in this very cute tin packaging. First of all, look at them. I can't just get over them. They're just very cute. But secondly, it makes them extremely travel friendly. Just take it and go. Another thing which I also noticed, that you don't even need conditioner when you use the shampoo. I was trying it. It has been like more than 2 weeks of me using it, and normally when I use any kind of liquid or bottle ka shampoo, I urgently feel the need of using a conditioner because my hair just feels rough. That was not the case with this one. So you don't even need an extra conditioner. Just take this dabba and go wherever you want to travel. It will not be a hassle at all. Another thing is these dabbas are reusable, and these are very sturdy. So just you can reuse them, store anything. And overall, I think I'm a little bit obsessed with the packaging. So these were the major differences between an ordinary liquid shampoo and Earth Rhythm shampoo bar. Now that we have talked about them, remember I told that I have 5 of the variants. So let me just introduce them to you guys and let's get started. Firstly, we have this MURUMURU butter shampoo bar for curly and wavy hair. Now anyone with curly and wavy hair, we know the amount of effort it goes to maintain that kind of hair. It can frizz up very quickly. You can't just comb it. You have to properly style it and everything. But this shampoo bar has been specifically enriched with MURUMURU butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, which means it has all the ingredients that a person with curly and wavy hair needs, which means it softens the hair, tames frizz, deeply conditions the hair, and protects colored hair. Then we have the hair nourishment and oil control shampoo bar, which has ingredients like SHIKAKAI, REETA, AMLA, curry leaf. Now when I heard about SHIKAKAI, I immediately thought about my childhood, where my mom used to use SHIKAKAI shampoos that was available at that time. But at those times, those shampoos, they literally used to frizz up your hair because the concept of conditioning, it didn't exist back then. But it's exactly like that, but it's better because it deeply conditions your hair, controls the oil production in your scalp. It also strengthens hair, controls frizz, and prevents premature graying. And next up, we have the anti-dandruff shampoo bar for itchy and flaky scalp. So if you're suffering from dandruff, or if your scalp is itchy or something like that, this shampoo bar is perfect for that because it has ingredients like peppermint and menthol, and it's just going to soothe your scalp, and it's also going to get rid of the dandruff, and you're going to feel so good. I love shampoos that have a cooling effect on your scalp. So basically, this is really good for people like my mom who have very sensitive scalp. It gets itchy when it gets oily, or very prone to dandruff. This shampoo is perfect for people like them. The next one is this exfoliating shampoo with 2% salicylic acid, white willow bark, and tomato fruit ferment. So basically what happens is sometimes dirt, micropollutants, or even your own hair care products, they can clog up the pores and the follicles of your hair, which in return can really affect the quality of your hair. So for that reason, you really need to exfoliate your scalp from time to time, and this shampoo bar will help you do exactly that. So what it will do is it will help you get rid of those dandruff, and it will control sebum production, and at the end it will also soothe itchy scalp. The last but not least, we have the milk protein shampoo bar. Now we all know milk is literally the synonym of healthy luscious hair, and this shampoo has been enriched with milk protein and vitamin E, which means it strengthens roots, increases hair volume, stimulates hair regrowth, and reduces hair fall. This is also the shampoo bar that I have been using since the last 2 weeks, and my personal opinion is that my hair does feels very voluminous, but it is not the frizz kind of voluminous. It is actually feeling very healthy. And apart from that, another unique thing which I noticed, which I guess I have also mentioned earlier, that is I don't feel the need to use another product, be it conditioner or be it any kind of hair mask. It's very weird actually, but my hair it doesn't feel as rough as it used to feel when I used other shampoos, and I think it's kind of an upgrade. I'm really happy with the results. Now apart from these 5, they also have a lot more other variants of shampoo bars, and I would urge you guys to go check them out. I will be linking the website in the description below, so please go check them out, and I can assure you, whatever hair problems you have, they have a shampoo bar for that. Trust me. And do subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.